Next is like a SEP. Now SEP is like a standard essential patent. So nowadays you can just see that very recent, like it's like a landmark judgment, we can say, huge 270 crores plus damages are like slapped for such infringement, actually, for a patent infringement by the High Court, right. So we this is the like a scenario, current scenario is there, further appeal and all that, because the case is, it is under that particular stage. So there may be appeal or something like that, but this is a current scenario about the SCP. So I just want to you appreciate the importance, and then the how Indian jurisdiction or a judiciary is now taking like that if you go into the judgment, it is like a running into the pages with a whole analysis of intricacies of the that particular that domain for that related to that patent, and is a wonderful judgment application of various laws, because it is not a single